सो जय हिंद टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम पुनः जानेंगे IEEE 754 फ्लोट वैल्यू रिप्रेजेंटेशन के बारे में। तो IEEE 754 फ्लोट वैल्यू रिप्रेजेंटेशन प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने जाना था कि किस तरह से सिंगल प्रिसीजन फॉर्मेट में अगर हमें एक फ्लोट वैल्यू को रिप्रेजेंट करना हो तो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। जैसा कि हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में कहा कि तीन तरह का स्पेसिफिकेशन IEEE ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने जनरली दिया। कहा सिंगल प्रिसीजन स्पेसिफिकेशन, सिंगल प्रिसीजन स्पेसिफिकेशन जो कि 32 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन को रेफर करता था, जो कि 32 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन था। सेकंड डबल प्रिसीजन रिप्रेजेंटेशन, डबल प्रिसीजन फ्लोट वैल्यू रिप्रेजेंटेशन, डबल प्रिसीजन रिप्रेजेंटेशन और स्पेसिफिकेशन जो कि 64 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी कहलाता है। एंड थर्ड इज एक्सटेंडेड प्रिसीजन रिप्रेजेंटेशन। दिस इज द एक्सटेंडेड प्रिसीजन रिप्रेजेंटेशन और स्पेसिफिकेशन, दैट इज द 80 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो कि 80 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन को रेफर करता है। तो आज जैसा कि हमने कहा हम इस लेक्चर में जानेंगे कि किसी एक फ्लोट वैल्यू का डबल प्रिसीजन रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसे करते हैं। तो डबल प्रिसीजन रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ फ्लोट वैल्यू, that is the 64 bit representation, 64 bit representation. So format has been defined by the IEEE. One bit has been taken by the sign bit, one bit था जो कि sign bit को रेफर करता था। Exponent has been referred by the 11 bit, this is the 1 bit, and rest of the 52 bit is for Mantisha representation. So एक example, this is the example, a number has been given, number is such as 1001001.1101 is there, this is the number. We want to represent this number in the double precision specification, so we can write the same number like this way, that 1.0010011101. So we are shifting this decimal point, and this is the 4 or to 6. This is the 6 places we have shifted to left. So 2 की power 6 is there. So we have to know what is the exponent value is there. So exponent we have, that is the 6. But since we want to represent the exponent in the 11 bit format, so 11 bit format exponent, so we have a requirement to modify the exponent. So modified exponent can be calculated by adding the 1023 in the exponent, so this will become 1029. So we are saying here the modified exponent is always for the double precision representation can be added by the 1023, and we very well know the number which is greater than 1024, 1023 is always the 11 bit number. So we are simply writing it 1029. So again we are writing binary representation of modified exponent, that is E dash maybe can be represented here in the form of the 11 bit. So this is the 1 0 0 0 0, and this is 0, this is the 3 or 3 6. So this is the 11 bit representation, 4 or 4 10 and 3, this is 3. This is the representation corresponding to the 1029 जो कि decimal में है, and we have represented in the binary value. So this is the representation of the 1029 into the form of binary number and it is the 11-bit representation here. Now we want to calculate the mantissa. So mantissa is here, that is 0 0. This is the mantissa portion, 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 up to and so on. We have to write it in the 52-bit. So this is the 52-bit mantissa have been taken here. Next, sign bit. Sign bit we know equal to 0. Why is the 0? Since we know the number is positive here, so number is positive, so we are saying the sign bit is 0 at this place. Now what we have to do, we have to write the double precision format representation. Double precision format representation of the given number. So we are representing it in the format. So we are writing here, this is the 0. So this is for sign bit. This is the exponent. So exponent here is of 11-bit. So this is the exponent. This is the 11-bit exponent is here. This is the 1-bit sign bit is there. So 11-bit exponent is there. 1 0 0 0. Then 1 0 1 is there. So this is the 11-bit exponent is there. So this is the 4-bit 4 4 4 11 and this is the 11-bit is there. 11-bit exponent is here. Then after that we have to represent the mantissa. So mantissa is here, that is of 52-bit. So 52-bit mantissa have to be represented here. So we are writing here the mantissa. This is the 0 0 0 0 1 1 sorry 0 0 1 0 0 then 1 1 1 0 0 up to and so on 52-bit. So this is the double precision representation of a float value. So whenever we want to convert any of the number which is present in the float value, we can represent that number into the 64-bit system, and in the 64-bit system we represent our number like this way. So thank you. So we can solve any of the question.